you a budding artist or a hobbyist who's been dabbling in Blender, find yourself lost amidst the myriad of lighting and compositing options? You have the creative vision, but the technical aspects of achieving realistic or stylized lighting feel overwhelming. You might have stumbled upon numerous tutorials online, but they either scratch the surface or are too complex to follow. Your projects deserve to shine in the best light, but the lack of structured guidance has left your renders looking flat and lifeless. You may see other artists work where the lighting makes the scene pop and the compositing adds that professional finish. You wonder how they achieve such realism or stylized beauty in their renders. Welcome to our bootcamp style crafted course, Blender Lighting and Compositing for Beginners. This course is designed to be a comprehensive guide taking you from the foundational concepts of lighting to the advanced techniques of compositing. With engaging step-by-step tutorials, you'll unravel the mysteries of lighting, explore the wonders of HDRI, sky textures, and delve into the heart of compositing. Whether it's mastering that toon style, achieving the eerie aura in dark scenes, or unveiling the secrets of Cycles Compositing, this course is your gateway to unlocking a new realm of creativity. The instructions are clear, the process is fun, and the transformation in your skills will be nothing short of dramatic. This isn't just a course, but a go-to reference for lighting your future projects, making rendering less daunting and more exciting. And don't think we'll just be using Cycles to achieve all this. As you'll see, we'll be using both render engines, showing you their strengths and weaknesses along the way. So stay to the end of the introduction and let me show you how every project you create from now on will have that professional look and feel. First up is lighting basics, starting at the very beginning where we're going through the very basics of lighting. This is the best place to start if you're new to Blender, as here we go through all the different light sources, how they are used within scenes, as well as in-depth demonstrations. Next up is HDRI lighting, your first chance to jump in and follow along with a pre-set up scene. Here you'll be tasked with bringing your own lighting source, how to integrate them into your scene, and what to watch out for when finding your own HDRIs. Then we have sky texture. This is where you'll be learning that Blender has some awesome tools built right into the software, one of which is the sky texture. Learn how to light your scene in either a Pixar style light or realistic sunset without the need to download anything outside of Blender. What about if you want to render in a toon style? Well, we've got that covered in the course as well. You'll learn how to take any scene and create that classic comic book look and feel with just a few clicks. We couldn't have a lighting course without covering dark and horror scenes. This part is where we really start to take it up a notch. You'll be introduced to how to use emission and volumetrics and how to really create night and dark scenes. If you're a fan of the Resident Evil franchise and want to emulate that dark yet amazing style, then this is perhaps the section for you. If you've hopped onto YouTube in the past few years, you're bound to come across those amazing isometric, stylized, yet simple models that someone creates in an hour, yet still look mind-blowingly good. Well, this is mostly down to 3-point lighting, and we'll be laying out the full foundation of getting this spot on. Regardless of the model, you'll be able to render out a beautiful scene. And now we really start getting to the nitty-gritty of the course with basic compositing. This will be your first introduction to the Blender Compositor. Quite simply, it is a game changer, and it actually took me years before even looking into this part of Blender. And my work suffered because of it. No scene will ever look as good as it can do without the help of compositing. The compositor also brings a wealth of complexity, and this is why this section will be just the lightest touch for beginners. We couldn't have a lighting and rendering course without covering interiors and God rays. I mean, really, these are a staple of 3D modeling, and I see so many rendered scenes of bedrooms or living spaces that just look flat, sterile, and uninspiring. Well, that won't happen anymore, as this part will really change the way you approach these scenes. What's more, we cover sun shafts and how to set your own interior rooms ablaze with realistic lighting. The next part of the course dives into studio lighting, a crucial aspect of rendering in Blender, especially using the Eevee render engine, known for quick and impressive results. If you're looking to render products or cars for clients, or just aiming for a realistic look to showcase your assets, this section is designed for you. We'll start with the basics and gradually move to more advanced techniques, all the while keeping it engaging and easy to follow. The Eevee engine is a great tool for achieving good quality renders quickly, and this section will guide you on how to make the most out of it. This module aims to take you beyond the basics, helping you to add a professional touch to your renders. By the end of this section, you'll have a better grasp of studio lighting, equipping you with the knowledge to enhance your rendering projects in Blender. Finally, moving on to the last part of Eevee compositing. This part of the course is the pinnacle of our journey with Eevee, aiming to bring together all what you've learned into a professional and eye-catching result that will be the gem in your portfolio, resembling the work of a skilled artist. Here we'll take everything we've gathered so far and merge it into a complete whole. We'll explore lighting, rendering, compositing, and more importantly, laying down the foundation for some truly excellent renders. This section is crafted to provide you with the tools to excel in the Eevee render engine, demonstrating how to blend those various elements seamlessly. The objective is to set the stage for impressive renders and to finish you with necessary skills to master the Eevee engine, making this section a vital junction in our learning pathway. By the end of this module, the aim is to have a well-rounded understanding, enabling you to handle different projects with that professional touch. The final part of the course will be covering Cycles Compositing. This will set the stage for future projects, teaching you in the right hands how any project can become a masterpiece, covering layering like ambient occlusion, as well as other channels like diffuse. This part of the course really lays the groundwork of just what's possible in Blender, as we bring all of those node trees together, working with sky texture nodes, layers, and compositing to finish with a night and day difference between amateur to professional renders. Looking back on my early days of Blender, which was over 10 years ago now, I wish this course was available. It would have saved me a lot of time, speeding up my progress in a significant way. This course is designed to help you move from creating plain scenes to rendering eye-catching projects. It's a chance to light up your Blender journey, turning your creative dreams into reality. By enrolling in this course, you're taking a step towards becoming a better Blender artist. Don't let this course pass you by. Save yourself years of trial and error. With this course, you'll look back and be glad you made that decision to join us. So take that leap, become a better Blender artist, and start rendering your dreams into reality. Thanks a lot, everyone.